How to compress a video without losing quality. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for Handbrake and then click on the first link. Now click on download Handbrake, and once it's downloaded you'll simply open the installer and follow the instructions to install it. Now once you have installed Handbrake, you will need to open it and then click on File. Now browse to the video that you want to compress. So for example, this one right here, where I'm going to pick the one at the desktop, the origin. Now in the summary tab, we want to make sure the video format is MP4, and we want to check also web optimized. And then under preset, you can modify here to change the video resolution, but I'm going to leave it at 1080. Now you want to go to the video section, and if you don't have a good or dedicated GPU, you can simply leave the video encoder at the H264, which is this one. But I have an NVIDIA GPU, so I'm going to use the NV encoder or the NVIDIA encoder. So I'm going to use the H265 NV encoder. And then we want to change the frame rate to same as source. And then we want to switch it to a constant frame rate instead of variable. Now we will simply click on the browse button at the bottom to specify where to save the compressed video. So I'm going to choose the desktop. Now you will simply need to click on Start Encode and wait for it to finish encoding. And once it's finished encoding, you can see here the comparison between the origin and the compressed video. So the origin was 112 megabytes and the compressed video is 48.2 megabytes, which is pretty much the half of the size. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.